안녕, I'm Sunny, your Korean study buddy. Today, we are delving into Korean markers through a quiz. Let's start with a Korean sentence missing its marker. 한국어 어렵지만 재미있어요. Our mission is to complete the sentence by choosing the right marker among 은는 이가. Sounds difficult? Don't worry. We have 3 hints, so you can easily solve this quiz. Let's see our first hint. It says that 한국어 means the Korean language and ends with a vowel. As you might already know, in the Korean language system, if a noun ends with a consonant, 이 or 은 can be added. If a Korean word ends with a vowel, 가 or 는 is added. So in this way, 이 and 은 should be ruled out because 한국어 ends with a vowel. Now let's move to the next hint. It explains the usage of each marker. 가 is the particle we use when making a noun the subject of your sentence. 는 comes in handy when comparing or contrasting two things in a sentence and can also be attached to subjects or objects. For example, 엄마가 식사하고 계셔. Mom is having a meal. And 개는 좋은데 고양이는 별로 안 좋아해. I like dogs but don't like cats. Can you pick the right one? If not, let's take a look at our last clue. The phrase next to the blank is 어렵지만. This phrase combines the adjective 어렵다, meaning difficult, with 하지만, which means but. 지만 is often attached to the adjective when contrasting or comparing. For example, 크지만, 작지만. That's why in this context, 는 is the go-to particle. Just think of 는 and the 지만 pattern as best friends. In summary, 은 and 는 is used when you want to add meaning, and 이 and 가 make clear that a noun is the subject of the sentence without any added meaning. Keep learning, keep exploring, and soon you will master the art of choosing the right particle. Happy learning! 안녕!